Unlock a world of Amazon freight opportunities right from your smartphone with the Amazon Relay app. First things first, you'll need to download the Amazon Relay app from your mobile device's app store. Once it's installed, open it up to begin the account creation process. This will involve providing some basic personal and business information, including your trucking company details and any relevant permits and licenses. Make sure all your information is accurate to ensure a smooth onboarding. Now for the exciting part, finding loads. Tap on the Browse Loads option here. You'll see a comprehensive list of available freight. You can filter these loads by origin, destination, trailer type, and even specific time windows. Take your time to review the details of each load. Paying close attention to the estimated pay, pickup and delivery times, and any specific trailer requirements. Found a load that fits your schedule and needs? Simply tap on the offer to view its full details. If you're happy with the terms, you'll see a clear Accept Offer button. Tap this to secure the load. Once accepted, the load will be added to your My Load section, where you can keep track of all your booked trips. The Amazon Relay app is your ultimate navigation companion. Once a load is accepted, you can tap to get directions to the pickup location. The app provides real-time traffic updates and offers turn-by-turn navigation, ensuring you arrive at your destination efficiently and on time. When you arrive at your Amazon pickup or delivery facility, the app makes the check-in process a breeze. Navigate to the My Load section, select the relevant load, and tap the appropriate check-in option, such as Arrived at Gate or Check-in. Follow any on-screen prompts provided by the facility. This digital check-in helps streamline operations for both you and Amazon. By mastering the Amazon Relay app, you're not just finding loads, you're optimizing your entire trucking operation. Get started today and drive with Amazon Relay.